advanced and innovative like the GPS system or the tech, which is the autopilot system of Tesla. It sometimes happen with the crashes with the autopilot as well, but they are still focusing to the customers to adopt that, or some way BMW as well, and they have a Tesla having a auto parallel parking system that the car can automatically detect that. But it could be an opportunity for Tesla to more improve that. The threats, as the BMW presenters said that the COVID-19, this could be a threat of for the company, because previously, like we say, the USA is a large number of vectoring COVID numbers. But the same here, that if Tesla having a large market in the USA, but the customers will prefer to go to the charge their vehicle because they got the symptoms, so someone already used that because they don't want to swap the batteries it could be a threat of company, because no one knows that how long COVID-19 will continue in that. And the government regulations go to the customer. Government is the supporting to the customers, and Tesla not charging to the customer for charge their vehicles. It's free for them. It make cost to the financial situation of the company. The massive cost on the production is they're releasing the new vehicles, but like due to the COVID-19, they never see that what's going to happen there. Next part, Mr. Lenny will speak.
So for the last 3 minutes, actually, we just go through the practical solution and the plan. Basically, based on all the opportunities and the business model, we propose that firstly, Tesla should continue on the product innovation. So mainly to make more efficient car, and the car should be for the mass market, not only for the rich people, but also for the middle class people. So in terms of value proposition, we have to make the car more value to the customer by improving autopilot function, assisted driving, and even more availability of recharging station. Strengthen business partnership like with Panasonic and Mitsubishi, like Gujan and Gabi already mentioned, and also to improve new business model. For the plan, their strategy is continue with the solar roof energy plan, penetrate to public transport, investing in autopilot features, and also investing in new revenue model. That's a timeline very high level, so basically hire more skilled people, investing in bond and stock, and also partner with new business partners. For contingency, so obviously they might go bankruptcy, so they might merge two business, maybe Tesla and SpaceX together to save and some cash flow. And we are gonna do the conclusion for our task.
As we already explained about the Tesla's infrastructure business model and all the SWOT analysis. So Tesla has proved that the company is based on a solid ground to defend its success, and the Gigafactory is becoming a main reason behind the company's continued achievement. So with the continued goal of this success, company should rely on the implementation plan, and it should overcome their threats by identifying their problems regularly. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go to the same thing, problem is, I don't know. Like you put the problems, but the solution is different from what you have as a problem. So you say this work on art and research and development.
Yeah.
This is one of the problems for them.
Yep. Good. So that's why we propose that they continue to do innovation on products.
I think this is something they have like heaps of investment there. Quite sure.
Well, I think
they're launching rockets to the moon.
Yeah, I think it's true. Yeah. I think it's a bit confusing because we know that they're investing a lot, but we got some reports saying for the last 3 or 5 years, their investment on R&D seems less costly effective. That's why we propose that they have to come back to the original model, which is investing in really good cars.
Yeah. And this the Fire thing, which is the Model S.
Yeah.
This is something like what a major, it's failure of one of the products, but
I don't know if your solution will solve this problem.
That's
Yeah. So, and hiring people is not a suitable practical solution. It's good for any company to have more people or more engineering. So
right.
you need to find practical recommendation for the company to improve some of these weaknesses, or maybe to take some advantage of the opportunities. But hiring more staff is good for any company. It's not for this. So you might think about adjusting that.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they had problem with for the Model S, they had problem with the batteries.
Yeah.
So they started using lithium-ion batteries.
Yeah, but again, these it's manufacturing problems, which is good if you find a new solution for them to avoid that. But what you propose is not related to this problem, because there might be some faulty products or things like that, which is we have to find a way to deal with that. Right? But yeah, overall is good. I think you have to be careful about the implementation plan, what the task, and your recommendation should be carefully chosen. Okay? Okay. Well done. Thank you.